In a quiet forest dawn, soft light filters through leaves as a gentle breeze settles over a calm stream for mindful breathing and quiet reflection. Caption on screen reads, Licorice root, nature's remedy, as amber roots rest among moss and dew. Licorice root helps soothe irritated throats and eases occasional coughs with its natural demulcent quality. It supports digestive comfort by wrapping the stomach lining and reducing occasional upset after meals. A warm glow fades as the scene softens to black, while a final caption invites viewers to follow for daily healing wisdom.